and this is my brother,
the mystical chef Ian.
So, today we're going to be making steamed white rice in a pressure cooker. But before we begin,
make sure you have a dog supervision.
and
Safety first. Oh, wait, what? Safety first. Bam! Let's get cooking.
Okay guys, these are the ingredients for the rice. You're going to need 1 cup of rice, 1.5 cup of water.
You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of Himalaya pink salt and 2 tablespoons of oil.
Okay guys, now Ian's going to show you how to use the rice cooker.
Okay, so first you're just gonna push this button, gently pull it up. Then you're gonna take this out, put it on the side, close it,
And
put it
now,
to the side.
wait, switch.
And then,
You're going to pour in your ingredients.
so first you're gonna put
Water's falling.
2 tablespoons of oil,
1.5 cup of water,
1 teaspoon of Himalaya pink salt,
1 cup of rice. Mix.
then you're gonna try to mix it very good. You should actually do it.
Okay, that looks good. No, drop it. Okay.
Okay,
Now we're gonna
open it again.
Scooch.
Push it back. We're gonna put this back inside of it. We're gonna close it.
And
Make
you're gonna,
sure your parents plug it in for you.
and you're just gonna turn on the rice cooker, and you're gonna tap white rice. Stop the thing. And it's already cooking.
Oh, okay. So now we just wait for it to be ready?
Yes,
Yep.
you know it's gonna be when it goes like ding, like that. The steam's gonna come out from there, and that's how
You
you
have
know
to
when
make
it's
sure
like.
you open it from this side over there,
So
not like
the-
this,
so
because
some
you're
of-
gonna burn your arm.
So some of the
Oh.
steam can come out, and then after a few minutes, when you do that, it's done.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So we don't touch it because it's hot,
Yeah.
and we don't open it and put our face because we can get burned with the steam, right?
Yes.
So you
Okay.
need what?
You need adult supervision.
Okay.
So let's get timing.
All right. So you guys will be back.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.
Our mom opened the rice cooker, and she put rice in this bowl. As you can see, it looks really good. And if you want, you can adjust the salt. Like it's not too salty. If you want, you can put more salt. Or if it's way too salty, well, there's nothing you can do about that.
This is good, amazing. 20
It's
stars.
hot.
I'm amazing.
Bye.
Bye guys. Make sure you
to
subscribe to our channel
and ring the bell.
and give us a big thumbs up.
Ding.
Bye. See you guys next time.